Here's a video tutorial about BMW 5 Series E60, E61, 2004 to 2011, fuse box location and diagram. First fuse panel is located inside the glove box, behind the plastic cover. You just have to open the glove compartment, twist those two plastic bolts to vertical position. And then remove the plastic cover. To install that plastic cover back, you just have to place it back and twist that bolts in the horizontal position. Here is the fuse panel that you can find the diagram in the video description below. Open the trunk. And on the right side, under that lining is the second fuse panel. You have to remove those two plastic bolts first. If you don't have a flat blade screwdriver, you can use the key blade to remove it. Then remove the carpet and then take the lining from the right out. Now you can see the fuse panel. You can find the fuse panel diagram in the video description below. You can also find the fuse panel's diagram in that plastic box placed on the trunk, boot, lid. The third fuse panel is located in the engine compartment, under the engine air filter. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.